Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are gonna vlog our day because we have a lot to do. We're gonna go to Chattanooga because I have to do some stuff for Erlanger. I got accepted to a nurse externship, so I'm having to do a lot of stuff for like orientation to get ready for that. So we have to do that today. We're gonna go to Puckett's in Chattanooga, get some ice cream, walk on the bridge. It's gonna be like a little date night. And then we're gonna go to my friend Leslie's graduation party. We're gonna leave about 1 o'clock, I think, and head to Chattanooga. What are you doing? Showing your butt?
No.
He's wearing a gun. I am filming on my G7X today, so it's a little different. So I've been using the M50. So yeah, it's so small, so it's so different. Putting air in my tires because like it keeps going low and it's like super low. Alright, so it's a little past I think 12 o'clock, and what time is it?
1:10.
Actually no, it's 1:10, and we just got to Chattanooga. We left a little early just because, so we're gonna go to that clinic now. Done at the clinic. I don't know if you can hear me because there's a band playing. Nathan's being goofy. Ow! But we're gonna eat here and then go walk and get some ice cream. We got us some ice cream from the ice cream show in Chattanooga. Now we are just sitting here on this bench at the bridge. It's different when you have somebody pointing the camera at you.
Oh, is it?
We just finished our ice cream. I feel like it's all over my face. It probably is. But next, we're just gonna waste some time and go to Leslie's party. It is 3:02, so we're here with not much to do, but we'll find something to do. We made it back to the car. Whoop whoop. We ate our ice cream, and so now we are gonna go to the mall to waste some time. It's like 17 minutes from here, and it's the opposite direction, but we have some time to waste. We have like 3 hours, so that's the plan for now. Nathan is getting some gas right now, and we're both kind of tired. I mean, he's been working like 7 to 7 all week, and I'm just tired all the time, so I don't know. But hopefully we'll perk up. We got our bellies full though, so that's probably why we're a little sleepy. But anyway, so we're almost at the mall, and I will get some clips of the mall. Hush little baby, don't you cry. What? Oh, my hair's a mess. Look at that. Alright y'all, so we have some big news. I'm not engaged, but Nathan did get me a promise ring from Pandora, and this is what it looks like. I don't know if it'll focus. There it goes. It's so shiny and so pretty. It's my first thing from Pandora. I love it.
In 3.2 miles, keep left.
made it to Leslie's like little place where she's gonna have it. It's like a little barn. We haven't went inside yet, but this is what the
you hear that goat?
Oh my gosh. This is what the outside looks like. Y'all wanna see my ring one more time? It is currently 6:48 and we have been here like an hour, so we're still waiting for like the majority of the people to get here. So we'll probably get out soon. I'm not sure. Nathan's not feeling it. So it is now 8:25 and we just left a little bit ago, so we're on our way home. So yeah, we don't really have much left to do today. Tomorrow we're going to go see his Nana, and then we're gonna work on his truck. And so for the rest of the night, we are gonna chill. So it is now 9:30 and we got home probably maybe around 9 o'clock. And Nathan's in there eating some pizza, and because I already had tacos at Leslie's party. But we're finally home.
What's up?
Hey, good boy. Hey, good boy. Hey. Good morning, everybody. It is Saturday. It's about 10:30 in the morning, and we just got up, got ready, got our showers, and today we will be going to see his Nana, and then we're gonna work on his truck and just see what we can get into today. So that's the plan for today. So let's go. But first things first is to find some breakfast. So we thought we were gonna make something, but instead we realized making like eggs and sausage and bacon would take too long because we're gonna go see his Nana in the hospital. So we decided to go ahead and just get something. So we may just get something afterwards, and so that's the new plan. But I'm in my car, he's in his truck, and we're about to leave. I don't know if he's pulled out yet. No, he hasn't. So yeah. Y'all, so I am getting on the interstate. We just left the hospital, and so I'm gonna go pick up some food, and then Nathan's gonna go ahead and go to his house because we have to watch Oakland, his niece, while his mom comes up to the hospital as well. So we're gonna do that, but that's why he went ahead and went, so she could go ahead and go. But I'm gonna go pick up some Soho. I love Soho, so that's the plan for now. I know I keep saying that, but like, we don't really know what today's gonna consist of. It's kind of a bunch of random stuff, so. Alright, so I got the drinks, I got the food, and now it's time to go back to Nathan's. Hey boy, what are you doing, boy? Oakland! Smile! Say hey! Wave! Yeah! Y'all, this is Ricky. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Hey Nate, you won't eat no vegetables.
Yeah, I know. Because I gave him all them bowls.
What do you think about him? You like him?
He don't bite.
He don't bite.
He don't like baths.
He don't like baths. Soho Hibachi. What do you think about it, Oakland? Think it's good?
Oh, why you on me?
Cause I love you.
What are you doing, Nathan?
Putting shifts on all those trainers.
Is it that one or this one?
Oh. Hey, who's your favorite from Monsters Inc?
Michael Wazowski. I wanna see.
What are you doing?
Oh, my finger goes.
You're what? Why are you whispering? Why are you smiling? So we have went to the park store like 2 or 3 times, and me and Oakland are sitting here. We are eating some cuties right there, and Nathan and his stepdad is up there working on the truck. So there's a little update for you guys. What do you gotta say? You shy? Why are you shy? So what did you fix exactly?
Shift solenoids.
Okay, so they just got done, and so we're gonna take it for a little test drive. To get pizza. What kind of pizza are we getting?
Country.
We got a buffalo pizza, buffalo chicken pizza, and then we got a Hawaiian pizza with Canadian bacon and pineapples. Nathan got the goods. So it is now 9:19, and I'm just now leaving Nathan's. He has to get up early because he works 7 to 7 tomorrow, because he's been working that for the last few weeks, I want to say. So I'm letting him get in bed pretty early and get ready for tomorrow. But this pretty much concludes the vlog. I just want to thank you guys for watching, and I hope you all had a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this, and see you guys next time.